How to fix Facebook Messenger video call or audio call easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager now, click on the messenger right here. You will find it between all these apps that you have on your phone. Click on messenger, click on force stop. After that, click on the notifications management. Make sure that everything is enabled right here, especially the calls option here. After that, click on the permissions. Make sure that all these permissions are enabled. Go back again, click on the data usage. Make sure to enable all these options here. And the last thing you want to do is click on the storage and click on clear cache. Very easy and simple tutorial, as you can see. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end.